Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to showcase my little project that I just finished. So over for the last 2 days I've been working on building the power stations, and I've been accumulating all the materials like the batteries, the all-in-one inverters, and a bunch of DC breakers and AC breakers. And yesterday was the day that I finally decided to put it together. And here is the overall my completed project. Hi guys, check it out. I just finished building this power station, 10 kilowatts. Right, so now it's I already got the solar things ready. I just need the brackets to come home so I can put it on the patio, and then I can start charging from solar. But right now it's currently charging from the utility. You see, 1 kilowatt. Awesome. Really nice. Love it. Very cheap. Battery 250, inverter 300. The dolly. It's just I'm having one laying around. The DC breaker, I think that's 60 bucks. All the other ones, the small ones, they're like 20 bucks or 18 bucks. Not bad. And the strap for Husky, about $10 for 4, and I only use one. And then a piece of plywood, it was free. And then this one right here, the power cord here, 30 bucks. 12.3, pretty heavy duty. So really nice, love it. So this is PowMr. This is all-in-one inverter. This is 48 inverter volt inverter, and I got this battery for really cheap. It's LiPo 4, 10 kilowatts for like 250 bucks. And then I got these breakers on Amazon's. And then I got the yellow extension cord, the heavy duty one, for like 30 bucks. And then the all-in-one inverter itself, it's like 300 bucks. So overall, it's less than $1,000. And I have this big, massive dolly. You know, it used to be red, and I just spray painted. I don't know how much the black paint bottle cost, but yeah. So let me explain to you what I did. All right. So this one, I mounted the inverter. I drill on the back of the dolly. You know, I drill like 2 holes into here. You can see right there. However, on the bottom, like the hole doesn't line up, and I don't want to drill any hole or anything like that over here. So I just bought the Husky strap, and I just drop it. And on the very bottom, I got this board right here. And I was thinking about using the U-bolt, but I think this kind of zip tie will work anyway. And for the DC breaker, I used a bigger zip tie just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. And that's pretty much, and the extension cord. So let me see. So this is the PV input, and I put a breaker on there, and I got the MC4 ready. So right now I'm pretty much just waiting on the bracket. Once I get the brackets from Amazon, I'm going to install the solar panel, and then we can test it. And this is the DC breaker, it's a huge one. And then this is for the input, and this is the output. So I put a breaker on both, and as you can see, right now it's charging. Input battery 20 amp, 1 kilowatt. So I didn't really have to change much on the parameters. I think this one I changed it to the lithium iron phosphate, and the other one was the charging AC charging current. So I think it was set at 40. So I lowered it according to the battery. It says only 20 amps, so I lowered it to 20 amps. But this wire here can take, I think, up to 1800. So 1.8 kilowatts. So, but overall the project, it took me 2 days to do it. Not like the whole day, but I started last night, and then I had to go buy this one. So this one is it's really cheap because you can. This is like a 10 kilowatts. I've seen a lot of videos and people making it, and I decided to just try it out and see if I can put one together. And it powered up on the first try, thank God. And everything is new except for the battery and the dolly. So it's this project all together only cost me about less than $1,000, I would say. So I'm really happy with the outcome. So if just in case, you know, I mean, here in California we don't get a lot of power outage. Maybe I would say twice a year, maybe where I live, and sometimes it's 45 minutes, and sometimes it's 4 to 6 hours. Who knows, you know? But just to have this for emergency, you know, to run your fridges, or maybe to power your internet, your TVs. So I think it's a good thing, you know what I mean? And it's a good learning experience as well too. So, and very excited, very happy that everything, I didn't I didn't burn anything, you know what I mean? Everything's good. Yeah. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you're thought about making portable power stations, you know, if you like to try it, if you want to do it yourself, you can. Or if not, there's other solutions out there too, which is like, you know, you have like Anker, I think the F3800, the Ecoflow. Now they come out with the newer versions. They have. All right, guys, so here I have a couple deals I want to introduce to you guys. So they are all power stations, and let's start with the first one that we see here. This is the Anker Solis C1000. It is a portable power station, 1800 watt inverter and solar generator. So basically means that it can charge with solar, and full charge in 58 minutes, and it's about 1000, 56 watt hours, and it is LiPo4 battery, so it will last forever. And regular price is $1,000, so I don't think anyone's gonna buy it at that price. But for if you apply $500 off, you're looking at about $500. Yes, this could be a deal. All right, and with this, you can just buy like a portable or foldable solar panels, and then you can just charge it, and that would be fine too. This would be great for picnic, camping, or just maybe you need it to run some of your lights or your fridge when the power's out, but it can't do anything more than 1800 watts, right? So maybe 1500, but then if you do that, then you're not going to be using for long. So yeah, but here just to give you more, get 100% powered in under an hour. So that's very fast charging. That's really fast, and you can charge this either with the solar or with the AC as well too. And here it just tells you it's a 5 years warranty, and it is 5 year warranty and then 10 years lifespan. So this thing will last at least 10 years, and it's rugged the way they design it. And this one right here, it tells you exactly how much it can power. Projector 23.4 hours, and portable coffee maker 2.7 hours, electric grill 1 hour, and kettle is 0.9 hours. And then this one double your power in any scenario, so you can just buy another extra battery pack, and you're gonna add it like another, so double it to 12 watt hours. And this one you can use the app to check all the settings here, and they do have many different types over here, not just that one. They're starting out with that one here with the bag, and here with the panels that I mentioned about, and here with the 200 watt solar panels. This is 400 watts, right? And that's the batteries for expansion. So about $500. If this is something that you like, perfect. Let's move on to another one that I have. Okay, so this one it's Ecoflow. So Delta 2. So this one been on sale quite a bit. All right. So here $459. And this one about the same size, 10 24 watt hours, LiPo 4 battery, 1800 watts inverter. And this one has all kind of like the USB Type C, Type A, and fast charger. You know, this one is perfect for you to charge your laptops, your drone, your iPad. So again, this is very portable, very light. You can take it to go on a picnic or camping, you know, whichever you need to do. Perfect. And it's under $500, which is not bad too. And this just tell you here, so emergency power supply. So that's if you have BMS, LFP, 5 years service, and then 10 years. So now 5 years of warranty and 10 years. That's pretty about average. And again, this one you can also add another extra battery to expand your capacity. Right, so, and it says here, perfect for your backup power, camping, and RV as well, too. Last but not least, this is the beast right here. This is a 7.2 kilowatt hours portable power station. So this is the unit, the main unit itself, and this is the extra battery. So that's a lot of power. This one's 120 volt LiPo 4 battery backup with expandable capacity, solar generator for home use, power outage, camping, and RV and emergency. So this is like the beast of the beast. So if you really need it, this one right here. And this one right here tells you that you can apply for a 30% tax credit as well too. So which is great. So, and if you're, check this out though. If you're a Prime member, you get it even cheaper, $3,499. And if you don't know how to become a Prime member, just check out my link. I think there's a discount there for about $3 or $7 for you to try first week. All right, but this one is has a lot. It has 3,600 watts. All right, but it is heavy, 183 pounds. So, and here I give you all the specifications right here, fast charge, for everything you can think of here. Right, so, and then if you want to build something like this, you can too. Alright, so, but if you don't, then just buy this. Alright guys, thank you, be safe, till next time. They have the Ultra, the the Delta Pro 3, all kind of stuff, or even the Costco usually have a lot of on sales over there, and you can get straight from there. And but if you want to try, you want to work, you want to put together, you know, you get the satisfaction out of it, right? And then you get the more power, and it's all of these are like individual components. So if one fails, you can just buy another one and put it in there. And with this one, if I want to add another battery, I just find a similar one like that and just put it together, and you get a bigger system. Or if I want another inverter, I can also do that as well too. So it's a lot of room for us to play, unlike the one you buy the all-in-one. You know, you pretty much just whatever they have and just stick with it. But overall, I'm very happy. And like I said, it's not that hard. So if you guys want to do it, you want to try it, just try it. You know what I mean? Just be careful. And other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.